Uncle Mark here. This is just a quick update to the LED bulb lamp video I did in case you've had some of these lamps in your house and they are burning out fairly quickly. So just take a look. So the way this tri-light works is basically like if you had three switches like this. You turn one on, it's so bright. You turn two on, it's brighter, and the third one makes it the brightest. And that can be a problem, at least what I can tell anyway, are the issues I found. So this is another way you can tell. I showed you the sticker in the other video. It says use 3-way 100-watt bulb or whatever 100, 120 watt, 150 watt. But if you look inside, because maybe the sticker is missing, this is how you can tell it's for a tri-light. Now normally, they just have that copper on the left there. It probably would be a little bit over to the right. So this thing on the right, that silver thing, that's a tri-light. The one in the middle, the one I just put the check mark is, would be your normal single on-off type of light. So take a look at it here again. Just you can take a look at your light. If it looks like this, you're probably going to have issues with LED bulbs. Again, I'm not an electrician, but maybe I should show you the difference between the two. So on the left is your normal on-off, just a single brightness bulb or socket. And then if we take a look on the right, it's got that extra silver tab. That'll do the tri-light, just to give you an idea. So here we'll set it to AC. I guess it's a little further down, 200, yeah. This is just the lowest it goes, 200 volts. And we'll do a little bit of exploring. Try and jam this one side in the ground side. If this indeed is the ground side. Just so I don't have to hold it while I try and hold this other one. Oh, these wires are going to give me trouble. Move everybody out of the way. So I've got this backwards. I thought the middle contact was the first on-off, but it turns out the silver one is. So if we check these two right now, okay, I want to make sure it's off. Sorry, I'll try it from the other side. And this is dangerous. You don't want to touch when they're on with the outer case. Okay, off. So if we click to first position, the silver one comes on and gives you 120 volts, 110 volts. The middle one is off. So that'll be the lowest brightness, right? Click number 2. Now it goes to the middle one, which is a different filament, and the outer one is off. Third click is both of them. Now that's where your super brightness comes. It's blurry. Let me show you again that they're both on. 120, 120. And the fourth position should be everything off. Hopefully I give you a little more information on this. If you didn't see the first video, take a look up here, click on the link, and that'll bring you to it. It explains what the situation was and maybe how you can solve it. You can subscribe down in the corner. Thank you again. Otherwise, if you're just looking at this part, back to the video. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number 1. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Uncle Mark here. Uncle Mark here. This is just a quick update to my LED bulb. If they're burning out on you, what is your light? Ugh. Uncle Mark here.